Hello. This ring which we start making before and we finished as a two-part pieces. The head separated from the ring shank, the head prongs with wire, with the holes, because when you can print with separated pieces, two pieces, head and ring, separately. After that, casting house will cast separated. After that, the jeweler smith will take it and cleaning and finishing and put inside the hole here, the head, and weld from here, joint weld. After that, we'll cut the outline wire and cleaning and finishing. Because if we make one pieces like this, without this wire, without separated, here jeweler smith can't cleaning here. Okay, even the polisher, it's too much difficult. For high-end work, it's more better. We make separated pieces. Okay, because I'm jeweler smith. My main work, it's a jeweler smith. I know what I did before. We working by handmade, all like this. The shank, the ring, the head, prongs, all by hand. We doing before many years in 90s. Okay, so now before I make rendering, show you rendering, we should make STL files for 3D printing, because the 3D printer house globally actually read the STL file format. This is 3D file format. There is 3D prints read other formats or specific their machine 3D printing machine formats, or 3DM or OBJ, but more it's STL file format globally. Okay, so I will take the shank, export. We'll put I put for sure here there is a multi formats. We will put the STL, and I will put this is ring shank. Okay, STL file, export. So now we will put the parameters for the measurements for the more smooth or less smooth. If we put more smooth, it will be high, thousands of or millions of polygons. Okay, big mesh, because it's a triangulate meshes, more triangulate. We can doing from here. Before many years I use this, but I stop it. I make it shortcut as like 0.1, I think, like this. I don't remember now well, but it's okay like this. It's a now 01. I already using 007. It will give high smooth mesh, and it's good for 3D printing. Okay, not high thousands mesh. It's good. So okay, even okay. Now the prong. Again, export. When you click on the right click on the mouse, so that time it will repeat the last command. Okay, head prong. A little bit I have a headache because I slept and wake up. Okay, so now we have separated two pieces. Now we will make one shell. I double click on head prong. This is in Magic STL file. This software named Magix, which actually using for Envision Tech 3D printer. Envision Tech company, you know, it's the first from the first companies in the world, have great 3D printer machines, but a little bit more expensive than other printers. But actually all people using the Magic, this one. With Magic you can put even support, but I didn't use using for support. I only use tools and fixing. Okay, these two, not the others like support generation, slicer, or making the others. No, I'm not using. I'm in other tutorials I will make how we will put supports. Okay, so now this one, if you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 pieces, 9 shells. We click on the plus button and update. You will see like this inverted, and there is a 146 or 180 148 shells like this detected. You click on shells. Okay, unify this one, all the pieces make one shell, one object, one piece. But those virtual shells, we don't use it. All select, drag and click on delete selected shells, follow advice, update. When you see like this all green slash and 0 0 0, only one shell, this is good, perfect. It's ready for 3D printing. Okay, so now I will close and right click, save, replace. Okay, replace. There is other like Magic's alternative, NetFab, Autodesk NetFab. Even I have it, sometimes I'm using, but now I'm not using more. I'm using this many years, but for secondary I'm using NetFab in other cases. But this is the best one for me, as I'm using it. There is a even for free mesh mixer and other can make STL like this. Even in Blender, it's a free software, Blender. You can make STL one shell. Okay, can fix it. So save, no, bring Shank. Again on the plus button, update. It's a two shell because you remember we make the ring shank and the toes because of two object. Unify. Okay, follow advice, update. Oh, it's a good, great. Save as, save, replace, and we finish the STL files. There is complex STL files take too much time, but this because it's small pieces and good everything's, we finished quick. Okay, these two files, it's ready for 3D printing. Now we will do what? Start to make rendering. For rendering I will tell you more. Now we'll tell you this one already. We did this one. It's without hole here, without hole, because in the rendering we will show as realistic pieces without hole, as welded, joint welded. You can do export or import or open, save. I will take Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Okay, copy to clipboard and come here any place and Ctrl V on the keyboard shortcut. Right click for start to make for rendering, preparing. F7 will close all the grid. With the right click on the mouse for repeat the last command without every time click on the F7 button. So now for rendering, you know, the rendering we can't do like this taller points, because this is for manufacturing. we'll do as realistic as it's set. Okay, like the diamond setter, how he will take the prong, he will cut a little bit, he will make a small channel here for all parts, and here even will make drill on this wire, horizontally wire toes, and we'll put the diamond. That time we'll take the prongs, we'll bend curvy on a diamond for close on it, for make the diamond fix, and make a little bit a bit on the prong. That's it. So I will do like, we'll try to do like realistic. So first I will ungroup, because all it's group, this group and this ungroup. Okay, in matrix you can utilities here, you see group and ungroup, it's the same command. Okay, I take this, click on the side view, make another layer, color and layer. So this is too much high, I will close the gumball, and for the main layer I can close it or make lock, but I will close it. Even on diamond I will make lock. When you make lock, unlock, lock, you can't capture, take it the diamond. Okay, you can't catch it. This one, the lamp one, is hide, unhide, hide, unhide, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Okay, so I take it, I will save it. We save it here. Save. Always good save for make render. For more save. Okay. This one, when you see this move toolbar tab, you see there is a lot of toolbars inside commands in the toolbar, tab toolbar. You see this band, you make band, even the picture, the image is a band. Rhino told you this is a band. Here in matrix we have in transform again I think yes, here this one band, it's the same. Okay, the same command. I click on it, I put someone location like this here. Okay, too much high and too much close. When you take as much as you take from bottom from the back, you will make more bend. Okay, so first I will cut single line, open the color, maybe like this here, it's good, or from like here I will cut it. Okay, in matrix you can curve single line. Okay, this one single line. This is perspective view. Okay, well, sometimes I'm recording and before I recorded and go it's not recorded, I don't know why. 2 hours it's gone for empty. So I will select the curve and trim. Okay, cut it. I will make a new layer, change object. When you right click here in layer box, you will see new layer, you can make new layer. Okay, in the matrix, this one trim, this one trim. Okay, it's the same. Each one have interface UI, but it's a, if you see, it's a open. So I will take it, cap it. Okay, in the boolean, in Rhino, cap it. In matrix, solid, Okay, cap it, cap line. This is extract. The same commands. So I will make fillet now again. Maybe 0.2 is good. I can make more, 0.25, more better. When you make more and more, it will not work. Like if I put 0.7 or 5, it will not work because it will be overlaps. Okay, so I will try 0.3 good, the much more better I think. Okay, like this, you see it, good fillet, or like this. So we'll take it in the matrix, this one. You see this one will make curvy fillet, its name. Again I will come to band. First I will take a little bit from button, a little bit band. Okay, put in diamond. Again come or right click on the mouse. We'll take from here, from the top part. Okay, again from the top part, like this. It's good, but I think it's good. Okay, good. We will try as many, which one more better. But we have, if you see like here, I already make on the keyboard shortcuts. Okay, it's good. I will save it. I will try again another one, maybe will be more beautiful. Okay, for the prompt. PR1. Okay, undo. We'll try again. I think this is more beautiful because here, if you see the flash of the mouse of the flasher, you see more smooth on the box, more smooth, more curvy, more beautiful curvy. Okay, so this is good, more better. Oops. So now top view, I will take it and polar array. You can click on 0, enter, or right click. So we'll put 6 because the prong 6 prongs, 6, enter on 360 degree. Okay, enter and confirm. We have the prong. I will see by color. Oh, beautiful, great. For rendering, you can make a little bit the diamond more bigger, a little bit, for can show like, you know, presentation as rendering. It will give more, a little bit more tasty. Okay. By the gumball, when you click, when you drag like this, it will take 1D scale. Okay, which one you undo. When you click on the shift, it will take from which side, it's not matter, you will make 3D scaling. Okay, shift on the keyboard and drag with the mouse a little bit. Okay, more beautiful like this, before, after, a little bit. So I will open the default one. Only I will take this one and this one, change the layer color in the render part. So we have now select Ctrl G group, or on this, on the, it, we have now set it prong head. Okay, with smooth, nice, curvy prongs. closed on the diamond. The shank also, okay, so the shank and the griff, the prong had again one color, and Control G group, or by this here group, okay. Control S for save. So we have now ready for rendering. We don't need the wire ring size, okay. Control A, properties. I will hide the shows surface ISO curves. It's not for the rendering, but it's for showing you see more better like this, as I'm my experience. Okay. So now we'll talk about the render. Actually, I'm using more key shot rendering. Next time, other time, we'll show you on the key shot how I render, how I render it, and V-Ray. Okay. The third one I'm using Blender. Blender, it's a free software from Blender Foundation. You can download it and use it. In the next tutorials, maybe if you see in my YouTube channels in playlist the videos, there is too much videos on Blender, but I will show you more how can modeling with the Blender. You can modeling, you can make sculpting, you can modeling hard surface, organic designs, okay, objects, creatures like this, everything by subdivisions. It's too much great even for Rhino, and easy and free software. Even you can make jewelry, but for sure it's not like Rhino 3D because or Matrix, because Rhino it's 100% it's a CAD, the CAD software, CAD modeling, but in the Blender there is too much little CAD toolbars, okay. But as subdivision, which we using Clio, you know, Clio or TC splines in the Matrix. Even in now in Rhino 7 there is a subdivision, not plugin, it's in the software main name. It's a good, but still there is too much toolbars or commands. During next years or other years will be update and be more developing, okay, more better. For Blender you can render inside with cycles. The main render engine is a cycles. There is EV even, but EV it's not good for jewelry or product design, because only for perfect for gaming or like a movie or like this, okay, cartoons, movie like this. It's a perfect because too much light during rendering, too much quick. But the cycles it's good for product designs. So, but even in the Rhino, Rhino 6, Rhino 7, there is the render engine is a with cycle again, okay. But the different, if you render in Blender, I will teach you in other tutorials. I will show you. It's a little bit more, maybe you feel you see complex, but it's good, more better, because they're using nodes by nodes, not like here you put what color you want, you put it or drag it or select it. I will try now do in Rhino 5 rendering. Even I don't use it, but I will show you. sorry, my dog, because he hears sound and it, okay. I'm not using Rhino 5 rendering engine, but I will show you as a not professional itself, but as I can, you can, for your client, if you make a work, you want to show him or show her, or like, or web page like this. Okay, anyway, so first I put on the render viewport, I came here, render panel, show save frame. For sure the current render you will put Rhino render. Okay, this is the border, I don't need this, the border which you have like camera. This is the camera, you can render inside. Okay, like this, maybe the first image I try to put in the center as I can. So now I will come to materials. Okay, materials already I did before, but the materials like this. When you click plus, you will see the materials. Okay, first metal. Okay, which one, silver or gold? Maybe silver, white gold. Even I can use the gold. I can change the color like this. Metal, gold. I can change the colors here. If I don't want the yellow gold, I want white gold, or I want rose gold, pink gold. I mean, you can change here the colors. Okay, but now the easy way is one we take and I click on the silver, right click, assign to selection. Okay, assign to selection, you make it. So now the material color is a silver or white gold. Estimate, I will play here if something I want to change it. I will now I will put the diamond plus in the in transparent. Yes, there is glass, emerald, diamond. Okay, diamond. Okay, I will take the diamond and again click on it, right click, assign to selection, control save. So I will click on this, you see render, I will see what happened, like this the image. So we want all lighting, we want to all to play on the lighting, or we want environments. Okay, for the environments I came here for the environments. Okay, plus maybe blank environments, try it. I don't think it should be something, no, I will try another maybe. Okay, anyway, you can change it if you have many environments, HDR, or I will play on here, I will play from here, background image, desktop, will put my HDR which I using it. Okay, it changed completely, you see, render. Okay, it's more better now than before, too much more better. So we have something here, we should can play here with the environment, HDR, we can play rotate, offset, or like this. Okay, it will change the, like this, I change the rotation. Okay, when render it will change the rotation if there is too much black or too much shadow, like this. Anyway, even here the gamma, the gain, the light part, exposure, like this. Anyway, so now I will play with diamond, because if you see here only I will see what the display sound, display light, library, okay, render properties. You can Rhino render, you come here 640 by 480. Okay, I want to change it custom. I make 800 by 800 maybe, as by example. This is the DPI. You can make more DPI. You will put more, but it's more for print. This is normal 2x. You can make medium 5, high for resolution. This for I know 5. Okay, I will take like this. Enter it. So you see, change the camera sizes as we mentioned it. 8 by 8, 800 by 800. So now when we click on it, you see the background, there is a HDR. We can put transparency. Okay, it will not show anything from background, but I prefer to put white, as I'm using white color, solid color. I change the color white. Okay, grayscale or white here. When I'm start rendering, you will see it will be white. Okay, white background. But I will a little bit. I will change the things. I think from the environments part again. For I change it, I will come here, environment. I will change the rotation. Maybe repeat. Okay. Here U and V. Okay. We'll try this only for see if it's good or not good. Still there is a work. I will check the light or close. Okay, I will again a little bit. We will play on it. Too much black. Maybe I make repeat like this. This is exposure. Okay, exposure it will be. I will put 0. Try by 0. Yes, more better. Too much more better. Okay, I see exposure too much, or I will make this more in the material part. You can make less here, the exposure, or the gamma. Okay, intensity like this will be more less the light, but every position have. Okay, we work on silver first. Sorry, I will put environment white, solid color white. After that I will come here, materials. On the silver material, which this is like gold, glossy 100%, reflection 90%. Okay, good. Transparent no, because it's a metal. Okay, I will put gloss, it's a 10%, maybe 80%. Okay, good. I think good, right? Good. Even you can change the color more lighty, but it's too much quick picture. No, it's not good like this. Before it's more better on the black. You can, on reflection, you can make black. Maybe no, black gold, white good. Okay, glossy black with the eye. much. Okay, make a gray or light gray. Yes, good, but maybe a little bit at top. Anyway, okay. Even you can make from here textures like color. Desktop. We'll put silver. You. Okay. More smaller. Silver or gold texture, you can put it, use it. Maybe it's more better. We'll check. No, too much. Okay, 10%. Maybe. Yes, it's good. It's good. Okay. Try reflection 90%, 100%. Okay, good. More better. More happy like this. With this. So the diamond. We have the diamond. If you see, not good diamond. On the diamond, we choose this diamond. Transparency 100% yes, because like glass it's a transparency. The IO is a 2.42. We can make maybe 3.2 or 3.4, 3.3, 3.5. We'll try it. Okay. Reflection maybe 5%. Okay, working. And okay, maybe too much high. So I have diamond textures also. I will put when you want the textures. I will put my email. You can email me and to send you the silver material texture and the diamond texture. Okay, it will be more professional. As on Rhino 5, I'm not talking about Keyshot or Pierre or other. Okay, but here as we can, because if you see, if I like this, I will show you even if low the reflection 3.5. If we make the IO, emission will keep the same. Okay, rendering, you see the diamond here, it's like glass. There is no dispersions meaning acoustical dispersions. It's more dispersions meaning when like rainbow, you know, rainbow after raining, you see rainbow. There's a multicolors. It's reflection, the diamond from inside to outside. Okay, it came the light reflections inside diamond and reflect to other dimensions, because all it's a cut. Okay, 2.9. Anyway, what I will do, it will not working because the material shader like this, but I have something we put here in the color. We put diamond shader. Okay, I have here and even here too, many one. Okay, if you put like this one, okay, now render, you will see completely change. It's like real diamond. Okay, we'll try the other one. Back. Okay, now we'll try. Okay, this one more better. Okay, you see dispersions like many colors. reflecting. So I will little bit the reflection, I will make more, maybe 42 or 45, we will see. Now what will happen? Okay, now more better as before, too much difference, a little bit 50. It is not 100% good. Maybe there is a 3D designers can make more better on these Rhino 5 rendering options, but it's not the perfect one. Okay, I will again come to render properties. I will put normal to high and the maximum here. Okay, even deeper I can change to put 100, but I will put keep the same, and I will click on draining. It will take a little bit more time, but it's good for show. You can play even more and more by HDR, changing the shadows. Okay, if you want to make transparency from background, you can make transparency. If you want play with Photoshop or GIMP, it's a free software like Photoshop alternative. Okay, for sure it's not like Photoshop, but it's good for designers. It's finished, already finished. This one, save. I will save here. Save. Okay, this which one I did, I lost the it's not recorded. I thought it's recording, it's not recorded. Okay, you see like this. Come on. Okay, it's good, not bad, good. Even we can change the time, the positions. Maybe you want like this. Okay, as much as can you will put in the center. Okay, now we see if it's good or not, but for sure if it will take time, you can put the, yes, good, beautiful. You see the gold, the diamond shiny reflection. It's good too. Even again we can change the and the properties from 800 maybe 1000 or 1200, more bigger image pixels. Okay, 72 100 we'll put the divide. This is the maximum here. Okay, there is no other things we can make. Now render. A little bit will take time more, but beautiful. Yes, good. Even from here you have the option, the intensity of the gamma correction 1.0. You can put maybe 1.1 or 1.2. You will see which one you feel happy. 1.3. If you put 10, will be too much white. Okay, or 5 or 10. Sorry, 5. 1 point or maybe 2. We try 2. Yes, 2. It's more better. It's like white gold. Everything. No, it's good. Okay. Or 1.9. 1.8. 1.8 is good for the diamond. More better. Okay, save. 3. You see, check it. Yes, good. You see the shadow on the metal, the bronze, curvy, and the diamond. Even you can keep the same as default 1.0, or you can make less. 1.3. This is good also. we can compare 3, 4. Okay, this more dark, this more light, so you can take the average like 1.3 and we do 1.8, so 1.5 more better as average estimately. Okay, average 5 is the better one now for this dimension position. This one more better than this, or maybe someone be happy like this, other like this, and I'm happy like this on this. Okay, so if we change again like this to the diamond like this, maybe we should change the HDR, because you see for the shadows, yes, for sure, too much blacky and too much whitey, too much blacky. Okay, that time you should come on the environment, and again you put on the environment and play on rotation, on repeat, on like this, like this. Even you can use light. I don't now use it lighting. I will put in slow on the first normal tool for not take time. Okay, because we will make preview before. When we confirm the color, that time we put on the high. No, even it's not good. Okay, I will try minus, and there's no minus. We'll try this. Okay, beautiful, but too much maybe. Well, so that time we'll try with the gamma. I put 3. We'll make more light the color. Yes, it's like gold, like silver gold. Okay, I'm happy with, so I change environment to solid color for white background. You can even use ground plan. Okay, that time you will change here the settings. Will not put the sky, the light here, or you can from here, and you have spotlight, you have point light, you have directional light and rectangle light, and you have the sunlight. Even the colors you can change, but too much now colors because I'm using HDRI. I don't want. Okay, render. Okay, good. You will play on it. This is for Rhino 5. Okay. Have a great day. We see each other next time.